Earning money using just one indicator is impossible. That's the message I received recently in my Telegram, and that's exactly why you are watching this video right now. In this video, I want to prove that it's possible to trade using one indicator, so let's get started. And in the best tradition, I will do this in front of you as a challenge, starting with just $100, and we'll try to turn it into the maximum in 5-7 minutes. So let's get started. And the main indicator helping us today is the MACD, which I have chosen. So it will be our primary indicator today, and right away we are opening 1 minute up trade because as you can see the MACD indicator suggested. We're on a 30-second time frame with a 1 minute expiration time, and the MACD settings are right in front of you. On the pocket option platform, these are standard settings, but just in case, I will show them to you. So it's all very straightforward. We see the histogram and line crossing the zero line, giving us a clear up signal. So all we need to do is just wait and watch as the level break predicted by the MACD happens. A sharp upward impulse follows. So to clarify, using just one indicator, we have predicted this impulse, and the first profit is already coming our way. We see $192 on the balance, so let's add to 1% again. To avoid repetition, I will look for another currency pair. Alright, here's our next situation. I think I'm jumping straight into 1 minute down trade, guys. It seems the price started to pull back right after the signal. Ideally, it wouldn't have been better to enter around here, but no worries, I'm confident the seller's trade would push the price lower since the impulse is sharp and the signal is very clear. The reversal situation is textbook perfect, so just as it's unfolding on the chart now. From this setup, we are about to earn $368. Still, it's worth remembering that trading with just one indicator means there is no 100% success rate, just like with any strategy, guys. But what's important is that trading with one indicator sharpens our ability to read technical analysis, levels, and everything else. Okay, our trade closed in profit, though it was a bit nerve-wracking, guys. So as I said, entering a bit earlier on the previous candle wouldn't have been better, but overall it's fine. Let's open one more trade to make it really nice, and I think we will wrap it up there. Alright, here is a good setup for a down trade. Everything aligns perfectly. We see a sharp price drop, and on the top of that we have a MACD signal. Unlike the previous trades, we are seeing a gap between the candles indicating real seller's trade. So this trade should close confidently in profit, bringing us $707, almost $708. We have got 20 seconds left. Let's watch. The price has stalled for now. Based on analysis, it should drop further, and there is the weighted impulse. Okay, as you can see, the trade closes in profit, literally 5-7 minutes, and $100 turned into $707. If you are still doubting that trading with just one indicator is possible, I don't know what to tell you guys, because I think we have clearly demonstrated today how a single indicator can deliver real profit. So in our VIP club, we trade more strictly with a proven strategy, and joining the VIP club is absolutely free, guys. So click the link in the description and send me a private message. Also join my VIP channel.